Marble Cleaning Services, Kingston Upon Thames. By Tile Cleaning Surrey. Are you in search of a solution for your dull and worn-out marble floors and surfaces? Look no further than Tile Cleaning Surrey's Marble Cleaning Services in Kingston Upon Thames. We understand the value of maintaining the timeless beauty of your marble floors and surfaces. With years of expertise, our team of skilled professionals has mastered the art of restoring and polishing marble to its former glory. Our process begins with a thorough assessment of your marble, identifying any damage, scratches, or stains. Then, using state-of-the-art equipment and premium quality products, we meticulously restore and polish your marble, bringing back its natural shine and luster. So, if you're seeking professional help for your marble floors and surfaces in Kingston Upon Thames, choose Tile Cleaning Surrey. We guarantee unparalleled results, outstanding customer service, and competitive pricing. Call us on 01784 775 813 or visit out our website at tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk. Let your marble floors and surfaces shine again.